For today's video ay i-discuss natin ngayon kung paano magbayad ng BIR tax using MYEG. So, paano nga ba? So, go to website MYEG, mag-register kung wala pang account, ilagay ang active email at password. After successful registration, makaka-receive ka ng email from MYEG to verify and activate your account. I-click lamang ito para magkaroon ng account sa MYEG. So next, mag-login lamang gamit ang ating ginawang email at password. Sa MYEG, ito yung website na kung saan pwedeng magbayad ng any government transaction. And then, kapag ikaw ay nakapag-login na, piliin ang BIR online tax payment. Kung ikaw ay nakapag-file na sa eBIR forms, makaka-receive ka ng confirmation from BIR. And magge-generate ito kung magkano babayaran mo. Kailangan mo muna mag-submit ng eBIR form bago magbayad. Nag-submit muna ako ng eBIR form sa portal. And then, yan po yung na-receive kong confirmation email from BIR. So, kung nakapag-file ka na at meron ka ng confirmation email from BIR, pwede ka na magbayad. So ilagay mo lang dyan, pay the amount. And then, please ensure that all entered details, especially the TIN and branch code, are correct to avoid misposting of your payment. And BIR does not allow online processing of refunds due to incorrect details in the payment. Kaya siguraduhin natin na tama yung mga ilalagay nating details, amount. Then, ilagay natin yung TIN number. And then, the RDO code. So, sa Pampanga ako, San Fernando, so South Pampanga, 21B. Sa form series is 2500. And form type is 2551Q. Then, PT, automatic na yan, percentage tax. Sa second quarter ako, so, June 30, 2024 yung return period. And then, next. Then, make sure na tama lahat ng nilagay nating details and kailangan valid yung email natin para ma-receive natin yung confirmation na successful ang ating transaction or payment. And kung tama naman lahat ng fill out natin, pwede na tayong mag-proceed sa payment. Then, you just click confirm and pay. Then, you can choose payment method. Meron tayong e-wallet and credit card. So, ako, pinili ko e-wallet. So, meron kasing GCash, Paymaya, ShopeePay, and GrabPay. So, ako, GCash. Dahil may laman pa yung GCash ko. And then, you can click proceed if okay na. Take note na if you are a GCash basic account holder, the transaction limit for this payment method depends on how much is your e-wallet balance. For fully verified users and GCash Plus enterprise account holders, and daily total transaction limit is 100,000. So, dahil wala naman tayong 100,000 na babayaran, in-okay ko na. And then, ayun na nga, i-enter natin yung GCash number natin. And then next, and then, the OTP number, marireceive nyo sa inyong cellphone number via text. And then, i-encode natin dyan yung ating OTP. And then, after that, enter the 4-digit MPIN. And then, click pay. So, after the payment success, makaka-receive ka rin ng email. So, pwede mo yan screenshot. Then, check natin yung email. Ayan. BIR transaction success. Ayan. Makikita mo dyan na success na ang ating payment. And then, you can screenshot para ma-file. So, tapos na po. So, thank you for watching. So, sana nakatulong ito sa inyo. Please like, follow, and share para makatulong tayo sa iba. Thank you!